Hi, I'm Joanne Humber, and today I'm talking to Siobhan Metcalfe-Poulton, who is the IT training manager, global IT training manager for a very large law firm she's based in London. And what we're going to talk about today is the fact that the firm and Siobhan herself have decided to head for LTC4 certification. They're using the learning plans already, but they're looking to certify people as a means of proving competence. So how did you get buy-in for that idea, Siobhan?
So originally we got buy-in from the senior partner. I wrote a business case stating that there was quite a lot of skills gap within the firm, and magically we managed to get quite a healthy budget for it, because he was completely in agreement that because there'd been a lack of IT trainers before I joined, there was quite a big skills gap. There was a lack of just core technology skill. So yeah, I just wrote the business case.
Yeah.
And he agreed and signed it off, and we got a nice budget, and that really did kind of kickstart the first phase of our upskilling project.
And you use the LTC4 learning plans. How do you use them? Is that the structure that you use for your training?
Yes, so we actually focused on, out of the 10 competency plans, we looked at which ones would benefit the firm most at that point in time.
Right.
We couldn't focus on all 10.
No,
we picked out, I believe it was 4. We picked out managing documents and emails, security awareness, time recording, and working with legal documents.
Yeah.
We decided to focus on managing documents and emails first, so that we could apply that to all of our iManage sessions.
Okay.
And actually I was fairly new to the firm, so it was actually really useful for me to go, right, I've got this training script that we deliver to new joiners. Yeah. Let's check against the competencies in the managing documents and emails category and make sure that we are actually covering everything that we need to cover. So it was like a sense check for me, which was really useful.
Yeah.
And then we rolled that out to the whole firm, because a lot of the firm at that point hadn't even had induction training. So we adapted the existing induction training, the new induction training, and then produced something that was relevant firm-wide. And that's the first category we rolled out. And then subsequently we rolled out time recording, security awareness. We got halfway through working with legal documents, and then the pandemic hit, so that got put on hold.
Yeah. So certification, is that a critical part of it for you?
Oh yes, absolutely, because there's an end goal, and it's a way to go, right, okay, so we've done all this training, fantastic, but how do you actually prove that your people have actually retained the information? How do you prove that they've actually met all the competencies that are required? And the certification really proves that they've understood the content, and it's a way of showing that achievement as well within the firm and outside of the firm.
Yeah, that's great.